Designs, your go-to channel for all things beautiful and functional for your living spaces. Before we start, we want to ask your support to make this channel grow with subscribe to this channel, leave comment, hit the like button or share this video to your friends and family. Today, we're diving into a crucial element of backyard aesthetics that often gets overlooked but makes a monumental difference. Backyard landscape edging. If you've ever wondered how some gardens just look so polished and intentional, chances are, excellent landscape edging is their secret. So, what exactly is backyard landscape edging? Simply put, it's the boundary or border that separates different elements in your garden or yard. Think of it as the crisp line between your lush green lawn and your vibrant flower beds, or the defined edge of a pathway leading through your outdoor sanctuary. It's not just about creating a visual separation, it's about giving structure, neatness, and a professional finish to your entire landscape design. It can be subtle, almost disappearing into the landscape, or it can be a prominent design feature, adding texture and interest. Now, why should you bother with landscape edging? The benefits are truly significant and go beyond just aesthetics. Firstly, it creates a clean, defined line that instantly elevates the visual appeal of your backyard. It gives your garden beds, pathways, and lawn areas a crisp, well-maintained look, making the entire space feel more organized and intentional. Secondly, and perhaps most practically, edging helps contain materials. It stops mulch, gravel, or soil from spilling onto your lawn or pathways, which reduces maintenance and keeps your different garden elements in their designated places. This also prevents grass from creeping into your flower beds, saving you countless hours of weeding. Furthermore, landscape edging can serve as a physical barrier, protecting delicate plants from foot traffic or lawnmowers. It can also enhance safety by clearly delineating pathways, especially if you incorporate lighting. Ultimately, well-executed landscape edging is an investment that contributes to the longevity, beauty, and ease of maintenance of your outdoor living space. Decorating your backyard landscape with edging to achieve a beautiful look involves a blend of practicality and creativity. Start by envisioning the overall style you want for your backyard. Is it modern and minimalist, rustic and natural, or perhaps a more traditional cottage garden? The edging you choose should complement this aesthetic. Incorporate plants that spill over the edges for a lush, abundant look, or keep the lines super crisp for a clean, defined appearance. Lighting is another fantastic way to enhance your edging. Subtle strip lighting or strategically placed spotlights can highlight the borders and create a magical ambience at night, transforming your backyard into an enchanting evening retreat. Remember, the best edging designs often work in harmony with the existing architecture of your home and the natural contours of your yard, creating a cohesive and inviting outdoor sanctuary. When it comes to materials, you have a plethora of options, each offering a unique look and level of durability. Here are some of the best materials for backyard landscape edging to choose. First, stone and boulders. These offer a natural, rustic, and timeless look. They are incredibly durable and can create a strong, permanent border. They're perfect for cottage gardens, naturalistic landscapes, or to define large garden beds. Second, brick. Classic and versatile, brick edging provides a traditional, neat, and organized appearance. It's durable and can be laid in various patterns to add visual interest. Third, concrete. Concrete edging can be poured in place for seamless, customized shapes, or used as preformed pavers. It's highly durable, low maintenance, and can be colored or textured to mimic other materials. Fourth, metal like steel, aluminum or corten steel. Metal edging offers a sleek, modern, and almost invisible look, especially when used to create crisp, clean lines. It's very durable, resistant to rust, especially aluminum and corten steel, and excellent for preventing grass creep. Fifth, plastic or PVC. This is a more budget-friendly and flexible option, perfect for creating curves. While less durable than other materials, it's easy to install and works well for simple borders. Sixth, wood like logs, timbers or railroad ties. Wood provides a warm, natural feel. It can be used to create raised beds or define pathways. However, it will eventually rot and require replacement, especially in damp climates. 7th, composite materials. These are often made from recycled plastics and wood fibers, offering the look of wood without the rot. They are durable and low maintenance. 8th, gravel or pebbles. While not a structural edging material on its own, gravel or pebbles can be used within an edging system like with metal or concrete borders to create a clean, modern, or natural look, and they are excellent for drainage. Now, let's get to the inspiration. Here are the compilation of the top 10 the best backyard landscape edging ideas to get your creative juices flowing. 1. Modern desert oasis with defined artificial turf edging. This image showcases a beautifully designed desert-style backyard featuring 2 rectangular patches of vibrant artificial turf, perfectly edged with a crisp, light-colored paver border. This clean line clearly separates the lush green from the surrounding crushed rock, creating a striking contrast and a highly organized, low-maintenance outdoor space. The precise edging emphasizes the geometric shapes, contributing to a modern and sophisticated aesthetic in a dry climate landscape. 2. Contemporary backyard with elevated planters and clean edges. This stunning aerial view reveals a contemporary backyard design where clean lines and elevated planters take center stage. The artificial grass lawn is impeccably bordered by sleek, white retaining walls that also form the base of structured, rectangular planting beds filled with decorative gravel and drought-tolerant plants. The dark paver patio provides a stark, elegant contrast, and the thoughtful use of defined edges creates distinct zones for relaxation and greenery, all within a modern and refined setting. 3. Lush backyard putting green with curved artificial turf edging. This expansive backyard is a golfer's dream, featuring a meticulously designed artificial putting green with beautifully flowing, curved edges. The white border neatly delineates the turf from the surrounding natural-toned gravel, creating a seamless transition and a visually appealing outline for the green. Palm trees and desert-adapted plants dot the gravel areas, completing a vibrant yet low-maintenance landscape that prioritizes leisure and form. 4. Tropical fire pit area with organic stone edging. Here, a relaxed and inviting fire pit area is defined by an organic and natural-looking stone edging. Irregularly shaped, earthy-toned rocks create a soft border around the central gathering space, which is covered in light-colored crushed shells or gravel. The surrounding lush tropical foliage, including various succulents and palm trees, complements the rustic stone, creating a harmonious and tranquil outdoor retreat perfect for social gatherings. 5. Circular lawn edged with gravel path and stone curbing. This charming garden features a perfectly circular lawn bordered by a winding gravel path, both neatly contained by a robust stone curbing. The gray paver-like stones form a strong, attractive edge that separates the lawn and path from the surrounding richly planted garden beds. This design creates a focal point with the circular lawn while providing clear, well-defined routes through the abundant greenery, embodying a classic and welcoming garden aesthetic. 6. Vibrant driveway border with mixed stone and flower edging. This lively front yard boasts a beautifully designed driveway border, utilizing a combination of white and brown river stones to create a visually rich edge. Behind this stone border, a dark mulch bed is bursting with colorful annuals and perennials, including vibrant pink and purple flowers, along with various shrubs. This multi-layered edging not only enhances curb appeal but also provides a distinct and attractive separation between the paved driveway and the soft landscaping. 7. Evening garden glow with illuminated landscape edging. This striking nighttime view highlights how integrated lighting can transform landscape edging into a dramatic feature. A long, linear LED strip light runs along the base of a low concrete wall, casting a warm glow onto the manicured lawn and the rich foliage behind it. This subtle yet effective illumination emphasizes the clean lines of the edging, creating a sophisticated and inviting ambience in the evening, perfect for outdoor entertaining. 8. Natural rock border for a serene garden pond and plant beds. This picturesque garden incorporates large, natural boulders to create a robust and organic border for a beautiful water feature and surrounding flower beds. The varied sizes and shapes of the rocks form a rustic yet elegant edge, seamlessly blending with the lush plantings that include tall grasses, vibrant annuals, and water plants around the pond. This design offers a naturalistic charm, bringing a sense of tranquility and visual depth to the landscape. 9. Cozy fire pit area with gravel and wood-beam edging. This inviting outdoor living space features a charming fire pit area clearly defined by a dark wood-beam border. Inside the border, light-colored gravel provides a clean, low-maintenance surface for Adirondack chairs arranged around a stone fire pit. The clear distinction created by the wood edging separates this social zone from the surrounding green lawn and mature trees, offering a cozy and well-organized gathering spot in a natural setting. 10. Modern backyard with paver walkways and gravel-filled edging. This contemporary backyard showcases a clever use of large square concrete pavers that create a pathway, with the gaps between them filled with small, dark gray pebbles. These pavers themselves act as a form of edging for the central artificial turf area, which is further bordered by a wider strip of the same dark gravel. This minimalist design emphasizes geometric patterns and distinct material separation, leading to a chic, low-maintenance outdoor space with clear zones and a modern aesthetic. A tiered water feature and raised planters add vertical interest. And there you have it, 10 fantastic ways to elevate your backyard with smart and stylish landscape edging. As you can see, edging is so much more than just a border. It's an integral part of creating a cohesive, functional, and visually appealing outdoor space. We hope this video has given you plenty of inspiration for your own backyard projects. Whether you prefer the rustic charm of stone, the sleek lines of metal, or the traditional appeal of brick, there's an edging solution out there perfect for your home. If you enjoyed this video and found these ideas helpful, please give us a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to Homes Decor Designs for more tips, tricks, and inspiration for making your home and garden truly beautiful. Let us know in the comments below which edging idea was your favorite, or if you have any unique edging ideas of your own. We love hearing from you. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.